In prime-time news tonight, parliamentary concern, its path encouraging poor women to have more babies. Somber moments at the first public viewing for former Prime Minister Edward Seaga, his body lying in state at the JLP headquarters. And Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw hits back at criticisms that government has abandoned the sugar industry.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thank you, Janella. Well, today is Wednesday and I have some good news for motorists in relation to gas prices. But an interesting story. One local company says business in Jamaica has been so good lately, it's no longer seeking to export its products. Which company? Which industry? The details in the business day.
And look at what's coming up in the sports. Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Archie. Well, somewhat of good news. The Reggae Boys are facing the USA and it's 0-0 in that friendly international. However, still no Leon Bailey, and he'll not be playing in this match as was reported earlier. The details will be later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, do you think the government should legalize Obia? Why or why not?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.